every single code in Volleyball Legends. These are all the codes in Volleyball Legends. Open up the shop and type in every single one of these codes to get all these insanely overpowered rewards inside of Volleyball Legends. First code: A B C D E F G. A B C D E F G LITY underscore fix. Ability fix. Ability fix. Ability fix. This is the first code. Be sure to subscribe and like this video right now. If you want all the rewards, watch the whole video till the end to get all the super seeds. I'm talking about the lucky spins. Volleyball. Where is volleyball? Is there any leaks? Is there any new leaks? Magnetic pull. Magnetic pull. So this is the first code, ability fix. If I'm typing this correctly, 3 lucky spins for you guys, so you can actually redeem this one. The next code is going to be update underscore 22, and for the next update it's going to be 23, so you can actually redeem 23 pretty soon. Do you see this? Do you actually see this? You can soon redeem update 23 just like this. The next code will be 700 million underscore visits. 700 million visits, and you already guessed it. It's 2 for 1. The next code will be 800 million visits, so you can already try to redeem 800 million visits if you're from the future. So if you're watching from the future, you can try to redeem 800 million visits right now. Underscore members. If you're watching from 2026, redeem code update 55. 800k members. 800k members. That is the next code, as well as 900k members soon. 900k members soon. So 900k members is going to work soon. Right now it's not working, but the developers will actually add it into the game pretty soon, okay? Pretty soon, like 1 week. 1 week from now, this is actually gonna work. So be sure to actually redeem these codes every single time you play Volleyball Legends. 900k members. These are actually all the codes. Be sure to actually like the video and subscribe if you need a extra slot for you, especially for you guys. Comment down below 23. Comment down below 23. This is the secret word, and only people that actually hear me say 23 will comment 23. So I know how to choose and give 3 extra slots to you guys. See you in the next video.